If a goofy movie and cyberpunk made a pair of headphones, this is what it would look like. There's something retro yet futuristic about the new Nothing Headphones 1, which is the company's first over-ear headphones. And in collaboration with Kev, these Back to the Future headphones are all about the sleekness and sound quality. At first glance, the headphones look like someone stuck two Walkmans on a headband. You can't not talk about the design when it comes to Nothing. They're known for that transparent, minimalistic look for their smartphones, and now they've brought it to the headphones. You'll definitely get double takes with this on. You can see the internal components and acoustic chambers. It's made with aluminum and molded plastic, so it feels smooth. The headband itself isn't heavy, but the speakers are pretty weighty. Nothing has integrated tactile controls directly on the headphones. We've got the roller, the paddle, and the button. The roller resembles the scroll wheel on a mouse, but instead of rolling up and down, you're rolling from side to side to adjust the volume. At the bottom, you find the power switch, a USB-C port, and an audio jack port. First thing, a massive cheer from me. There's an audio jack. Yes, you can connect these headphones to your laptop, but once you're plugged in, the controls don't work anymore. When you first put it on, it feels like you're being sealed in a chamber. Blasting music, I can lock in and do my work without getting distracted. There are 4 microphones built in with an AI-powered clear voice technology to isolate your speech and suppress background noise. I tested calling someone wearing the headphones with ANC on. The speaker on the other end came through really clearly that I didn't know that they actually had their TV on pretty loudly. And a small note, when you're toggling between ANC and transparency mode, there's like a really weird whisper that happens as if like someone's breathing down next to your ear. It's a little freaky. Don't say I didn't warn you. In terms of the sound quality, I'm pretty impressed. There's a built-in head tracking feature that immerses you in whatever you're listening to. Imagine watching a movie with this thing on. With battery life, you can get about 35 hours of continuous playback with ANC on. With it off, you get up to 80 hours without charging. And if you're in a rush, a quick 5-minute charge gives you about 2.5 hours with ANC on. I've been wearing these headphones for a couple of days now, and they're pretty comfortable. I wear glasses, and my biggest concern with headphones is whether or not the ear cups will press down at the back of my ears. But I'm happy to report that there isn't any of that. I can adjust the arm and position the headphones snugly around my head, and with this black cushion at the top of the headband, I don't get that sore point on my head after wearing them all day. Even with these dangling earrings, I found these headphones to be pretty comfortable to wear all day long. Like I mentioned, it's heavier than most headphones out there. If you're wearing it around your neck, you can really feel it, but I guess some people like that. I personally don't mind it because the weight feels kind of calming. Though these headphones are supposedly designed to resist oils and makeup, but there was a bit of a stain after I took them off, but nothing some wet wipes can't fix. Of course, no modern headphones is complete without its companion app, and you can do plenty with the Nothing X app. There are more features if you're a Nothing Phone user. With the Nothing Phone 3 coming out soon, you'll be able to link essential space by capturing a screenshot or recording a voice note. You can also customize the button to activate apps like Spotify or News Reporter. You can still customize the button even if you're using other devices like iPhones, but it's only limited to mic muting, noise control, and spatial audio. You can manually fine-tune your audio with an advanced 8-band EQ, create and save custom presets, or even share your sound profile via a QR code. The headphones also support auto pause, so the music pauses if you lift your headphones. It also supports dual connection between multiple devices. If you're watching a movie on your laptop, you can also answer a call on your phone without needing to repair. With these headphones being the first of its kind, it's an impressive debut by Nothing. Priced at 1,099 ringgit, they've managed to separate themselves with a look that's unlike any other headphones out there. You get rich, immersive audio that's perfect for gaming, movies, and music. It isn't perfect, of course. It's heavy, which could be a deal breaker for most people. For Nothing's first over-ear headphones, it was a cool intro, but I'm looking forward to more improvements. If you're interested, find the link in the description down below. What do you think of the new Nothing Headphones 1? Would you pay 1,099 ringgit for this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and we'll see you next time.